Hello and welcome to Olibr. R, a powerhouse in data science and statistical analysis, boasts a rich ecosystem of packages, each offering unique capabilities. In this video, we'll delve into the top 15 Rpackages, essential for beginners in 2023. These packages cover data manipulation, data visualization, machine learning, time series handling, and reporting. Data pre-processing packages. Let's dive into the world of data pre-processing in R, the foundation of effective data analysis. Starting with dplyr, a powerhouse for data manipulation, featuring key functions like mutate, select, filter, summarize, and arrange for smooth data wrangling. It's a game changer in the realm of data frames and computational backends. Next up is tidyr, your go-to for data cleaning and restructuring. It transforms messy datasets into organized formats with intuitive syntax and flexible functions. It's the key to ensuring data consistency and usability. For string manipulation, we have stringr, simplifying the complexity of working with strings and offering a range of powerful functions. And to import data from various file formats seamlessly, there's readr, making reading rectangular data a breeze from CSVs to TSVs. Data visualization packages. After pre-processing comes visualization, a critical part of data analysis. ggplot2 stands tall in this domain, empowering users to create visually stunning, customizable graphics with ease. Adding a layer of interactivity, we have plotly, a dynamic library allowing for visually appealing and interactive plots, elevating the data exploration experience. When it comes to mapping and geospatial visualization, Leaflet steps in, making interactive maps directly from the R console. Machine learning packages. Now, let's talk about machine learning, the magic of predictions and insights. Caret is a comprehensive toolkit for building predictive models and streamlining the model training process. For ensemble learning, Random Forest combines multiple decision trees to create robust predictive models, overcoming individual tree limitations. Then there's XGBoost, excelling in both boosting and regression tasks. Its versatility, speed, and automatic handling of missing data make it a go-to choice. Time series and date handling packages. Handling time and dates is crucial in data analysis. Olibr simplifies this, making working with dates and times a breeze. When it's about forecasting in time series data, Forecast offers an array of powerful tools, aiding accurate predictions based on historical patterns. Reporting and documentation packages. Finally, presenting insights is key. Nitra allows dynamic report generation, embedding R, code and output in various document formats. And R Markdown takes document formatting and presentation to another level, ideal for creating reproducible research documents. These top 15 Rpackages for beginners in 2023 equip you with a powerful toolkit to dive into the fascinating world of data science. Each package plays a crucial role in your data journey, empowering you to analyze, visualize, and present insights effectively. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.